Okay, my question. You think you know English, go?
Yes.
You know English, go?
Yes.
Today I go tell you, say, I collect your 3,000 from your mother and your father.
It's not mother and father. It's mother and father.
You see your mother say you want to take your mother and father. Where can you eat that?
That is English. With all due respect, I cannot speak English properly.
But I am your teacher, I hope.
Yes.
I am your teacher, I hope.
It's not I am your teacher. It's I am your teacher.
You see this dada? You see this dada? Wallahi, take your time. Take your time, dada. Where is that? You stand up from that place, you come to Sigos. Voice me here, go.
Yes.
You come to Sigos. Voice me, go.
Yes. It's not Sigos wise.
What be that? You dey teach them your language, say they teach them English, abi?
Allah, what is I doing? You are trying to, you are a destiny killer, wallahi. You know, say, I don't get work. This small children, they around for holiday, I say, make I make small money, take shopping. And I want to make money and shopping.
What you are rich.
Wait. The dictionary where they teach these children, be like saying Nadan Ibro write that dictionary.
What can I do this morning?
Nadan Ibro write the dictionary. Because the English when I know, normal man be no go to talk that kind of thing.
Wallahi, whatever you do, any talent way Almighty Allah give me, there is nobody on earth that is going to the God's word.
See, when God they share talent, when he reach your tongue, the pot don't empty.
That Allah lead me for my lesson.
Now the empty pot they don't carry wear for your head. It is say get talent.
Please tell this, tell us, all of you, tell us this uncle say is a ghost.
It's not ghost. What's ghost? What's a ghost?
Wannan lesson din ma daga je na fara yanzu ai wallahi ko kun so either you like it or not. I must collect my money.
Or not. Like it or not. Not like it or not.